Hey survivors, and welcome back to IB Survivors. Today's survival tip is about something IB students joke about, but don't actually talk about seriously enough: managing stress. Listen, everyone expects IB to be stressful, but that doesn't mean you should just accept constant burnout as normal. Stress isn't just annoying. If you ignore it, it starts wrecking your memory, your energy, and your ability to even enjoy the few free moments you get. Here's what they don't tell you. Managing stress isn't about that one big yoga session after exams. It's tiny daily habits that keep you standing when the pressure piles up. 5-minute breathing breaks before homework, a playlist that immediately gets you into work mode, a 15-minute mindless walk where you literally forbid yourself from thinking about school. And seriously, protect your sleep like it's your diploma itself. It's tempting to pull all-nighters, but if you're not sleeping, your brain can't even process all the work you're cramming. I promise, 1 extra hour of sleep will help you more than 1 extra hour of panic studying, and I can tell you that from experience. Tell people when you're stressed too. Don't bottle it up, please. Text a friend, "Today sucked." Message a classmate like, "Please tell me I'm not the only one behind on this IA." That truly helps. Stress feels a lot less powerful when you say it out loud. Surviving IB isn't about being stress-free. It's about building a system that keeps you steady enough to keep going, even when things do get chaotic. And trust me, you're stronger than the stress, even on the days when it feels like that's the opposite. Thank you for tuning in to another episode, and see you in the next one.